Good morning, dear student. I think we have already decided today onwards our learning will be a bit different. You also will going to equally participate in entire learning process of research methodology. So let me begin. And I hope you must have done the homework as I told you. So as per the syllabus, we have already finished the introduction and meaning aspect of research. Today we are going to see the even the definition of research, etc. So now we will be going one by one objective features, etc. regarding research. So I expect your contribution to the same. This aspect we have seen in detail. So today we will be starting with the objective and all. So first I need your involvement, your answer towards what do you think could be the objective of research. You can unmute and you can give your answers, or even choice is yours. So can I have your answers, please?
For development.
Yeah, Pratima, please.
For development, sir. Main reason for which is development.
It's not audible, beta.
Hello,
Yeah,
am I
now it is
audible now?
audible. Now it is audible.
So the main reason for research is development. Am I audible now?
Yeah,
Yeah. So the main research for development, the main reason for research is development. Hello, am I
objective.
audible or not?
You're audible, beta.
Yeah, the
The meaning
development, sir.
objective. What is the title right now which we are dealing with?
Objective of research.
Okay. Even this slide we are going to see. Okay, as per the syllabus, we have seen definition, meaning, and all. The next part is objective. So today we will be going. See, there is no much difference between objective, feature, importance. You'll find by and large everything will be coming one or same. Okay. Yes, beta. Yeah, Prathama, tell me.
Yeah. So the first is development, according to me, and the second is problem solving.
Absolutely right answer. Absolutely right answer. Right, what we have discussed is very correct. Okay. Or you can even write the importance. What is the difference between objective and importance? Or feature. There also it will come. The basic feature of research is what? Solving the problem. Absolutely apt answer. Everyone please write this and elaborate as per your, as per your way, what, how, with an example. Like there was a problem of COVID. Their research took place across the world, and today they have came up with the vaccination. Agreed or not? So they are trying to solve those problems. Yes or no? There was a problem
Yes, sir.
of COVID. We started with lockdown, compulsory, partially, and we resolved many problems. Yes or no? So whenever there is a problem, to solve those problems, there are different ways and means through which we do research, and we come with certain conclusions, certain outputs, certain ways, certain methods, which is applicable for society at large. Very correct. Someone else? CR, kindly take a point for Prathama 8246 as continuous evaluation. So kindly mark in the attendance sheet. As far as internal marks is concerned, okay, this kind of efforts definitely going to count. Can I have another answer from someone? Or if even Prathama wants to speak, no problem. I hope I am audible to you all. 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So only one student will get marks for today's evaluation. Okay. Before going uh, for these objectives, let me take the feature solution importance, which is one of the same. And what she has rightly stated over here, solution of a problem. Am I right, Prathama? Okay, she was perfectly all right. The second one is observable experience and empirical evidence. Okay, we observe why we have applied this kind of lockdown, because we have observed in China they did the lockdown, and they have saved very important cities like Beijing, Shanghai, etc., for having more cases of corona in the month of December, in the month of January. So similarly, pattern we also followed, and those who have not followed, they have had very tough time. Let us take example of Spain. Let us take example of Italy, etc., etc. UK, USA, there the damage is much, much higher as compared to India. Yes or no? You must have seen many a times, even it is there in the news channels and news agency, that uh, the damage or the effect of corona in India is much lower as compared to other high developed nations, because of corrective measures took place and taken at right time. Research also demands, okay, accurate observation and description. As I told you, in haphazard manner, research can never be done. Okay, it always required some or other accurate observation and their description, and then only the implication comes. Okay, research also required gathering a new data and using the existing data. You have seen, I have told you how the research is important during last video which we have seen, whereby it has shown that how different data of research which has been conducted by different universities, which has been referred there. So and so university has done this and this kind of research, and this was the outcome. So this is all part and partial when we talk about research. So this could be taken as your important features, need of research. Research also give the activity and characterized by careful design procedure. Okay, you have seen that we had done first level of vaccination testing, second level of vaccination testing, so on and so forth. So whatever we have designed, we have followed. Whatever the procedure has been designed, that has been followed. Research also requires expertise knowledge, okay, and skill to carry out the investigation. Search related to literature, understand, analyze, and data gathering. Everything is a part and parcel of research. If you will not do such things, it will be difficult for you to put forward your or continue your research process. Impossible for you. Okay. Research is always has certain objective and logical. Okay. It apply every possible test of validate the data collected and conclusion reached. What is the meaning of objectivity? Like and logical, I told you, nobody is trying to see whether the life is there is on sun or not. Had you seen anyone is trying to see whether life is there on sun or not? What was the reason? Can anybody explain me what was the reason? We are trying to have and to identify. There are a lot of research done by NASA and Russian, research center. ISRO is also trying. Indian research centers. Okay, we are trying to find out the life on Mars. We are trying to find out life on other planets, but not on Sun. Why?
Sir, because on the sun, the temperature is extremely high.
Absolutely right, Siddhant. Thank you very much. It shows that you are very
Welcome.
attentive during the lecture. Thank you very much for
Welcome.
your answer. Okay. Can you give
Yes,
certain,
thank
because it was my own explanation during previous lecture. So now I am going to evaluate the student on regular basis by their participation. See, because here I cannot give you assignment what I used to give it in taxation. So here the evaluation pattern of mine will be different. Whosoever is going to participate, whosoever is going to put their video on, who is going to interactive during the session, they are definitely going to get good marks in internal. I can't comment about remaining who are just coming for the sake of lecture. They will get their marks as when they will appear out of 60. Out of 40, these students are important for me, who are participating, who are learning, who are gathering the data and coming and attending my lecture. For me, they are very important. Okay. Then again, research involves with quest of answers, unsolved problems. There are still unsolved problems. Okay, whether alien is there or not, whether like we, like human beings, is there any other kind of, that is why you must have seen many a time this kind of movie has been made. You have also seen this Corona movie has been made long before 2003 only. This kind of pandemic movie has been already made by them. That was their futuristic approach, and today it was a reality. In 2020, it will come from China, and it will going to give the impact of entire world, entire economy is going to destroy. I don't know the name of movie. It was told a lot in social media. You must be knowing the name of movie. I don't know exactly, but yes, it was there. Yes, do you agree with me or not? Similarly, in many movies you have seen they are talking about there could be like us living beings in different planet also. We have not explored those planets. We had never been to those planets. So we cannot comment as if now. But yes, there is a life. There could be, same kind of ecological system. There could be same kind of recirculation of water, etc. All what we talk about. human life cycle, economic life cycle, water life cycle, could be possible in different ways and means. That is why you must have seen one movie, what was there, where Ritik was the star cast in that, and Roshan has made that movie, Alien Wala. I just forgotten. It was very hit movie in Indian cinema, Bollywood. What was the name of that movie? And many a times you go and see many of the old, serials. They have whatever they have predicted. Today there is a reality of it. Today there is a reality. Like in 90s when I used to teach the students, I always used to tell my students that banking will be there, banks will not be there. There won't be any feasibility and possibility that you have to stay in queue of banks. Today I found, yes, this is a reality. You have seen now the consolidation of nationalized banks. Forget about uh, cooperating and private banks, which is going for dissolution. Even government funded bank is unable to survive. So what I thought today is a reality. Okay, I have predicted in 90s only there will be some kind of system whereby you can uh, have the direct payment and receive of banking system. Earlier, if we talk about 1980s, when we were as a student, entire day we used to spend only for making one banking transaction, a nationalized bank. Get the token, so much of queue, etc. etc. Yes, Varsa, very right. Koi mil gaya. But there will not be any marks for it. जो भी बहुत इफेक्टिव आंसर रहेगा उसके लिए डेफिनेटली आई विल कंसीडर योर participation for marks. Otherwise, yes, it is good that you are started participating. Then research also involves unsolved problems. As I told you, there are unsolved problems whereby we think that there is life in other planets. We are trying, many research agencies trying their level best to reach out whether there is a life or not. So let us see. Research always required courage. You take the example of Tesla, you take the example of Amazon, you take I have given so many case studies. Microsoft, they continuously doing their research. Today they are world richest men. But when they have started, nobody was caring for them. They always think, "Arey, could be faltu giri kar." They have been thrown out from house. They were staying in garage. And then but they had a courage, they had a patience. Okay, they wanted to answer of unsolved problems. They had certain objectives which was very logical. They had certain expertise knowledge which others do not have. They wanted to gather a new data. They had lot of accurate observation, and they wanted to solve some problem of people at large. Agreed or not? Understood how everything is correlated with each other. Thank you, Sonam. So likewise, uh, I can show you, we have predicted long back, 5, 6 years back, and today you will find it is a reality. I'll show you the video whereby we have predicted how the world will look like by 2050, by 2030, by 2040, so on and so forth. Just give me one moment, I'll show you. So this video is very interesting and important for you all. You will definitely going to love. always take audiovisual expertise and knowledge for you all, which is very helpful for us to make you aware how the uh, research is so dynamic in nature and how it is very, very important for all of us. Just read everything very carefully. You'll correlate everything what is happening and it will happen in days to come. That is why Tesla is today world number one. We have predicted 10 years back. There will be type 2 diabetes. Flu vaccine, we have predicted long back. Are you getting? World populations, everything you can correlate. There will be 3D printers. We will be very near to Mars. 2040. And I'll tell you how the food is going to be there with the different new systems. World population, everything I'm going to show it to you. This is a reality. Internet connection. Every person will have 19 devices. Temperature, mass immigration you are finding. Online video on demand. TV will not be there. Everything what we have predicted is a realities of today. Alien, I told you. In Mars there will be new colony. Right now human beings are going on space. In days to come it will be done by robotics. 2050. AI will take everything, including human emotions, neurotechnology, universal vaccine, world population, water will be Big problem in days to come by 2050. That will create eyesightness, global temperature because of ozone layer. Like Donna 25 device, high-tech building. I hope you must have realized what we scientists, we researcher have predicted is a reality of today and it will be a reality of tomorrow. Yes or no? This is the power of research. And the people who will understand all this, they will only be the richer and richest. Who do not take it, who do not change according to the ways of research, they will be very, very, very difficult for them to survive. Okay. So during next lecture, again, I expect your participation and accordingly marks will be allotted. I hope you must be enjoying the research methodology because I'm giving you theoretical, practical, virtual, all kind of experience together. Okay. Thank you very much. Make the payment of fees as early as possible. Be at home. Be safe.